When Allah delays your prayer, the power of patience and trust in Allah's timing must watch. Have you ever waited for something so long that it began to break your heart? You made dua, you cried at night, you tried your best, yet nothing changed. And somewhere deep inside, a quiet whisper asked you, "Why is Allah delaying me?" My brothers and sisters, sometimes what feels like a delay is not a denial. It is divine preparation. We live in a world that moves fast. Instant communication, instant deliveries, instant entertainment. So naturally, we begin to expect instant answers, even from Allah. But Allah's timing is not like ours. He sees what we cannot. He knows what your soul needs, even more than what your heart wants. Sometimes the job you didn't get, the person who walked away, the dream that hasn't come true yet, is not a loss.